Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to film some quick easy one eyeshadow makeup look for spring and summer. So if you are interested on that look, please stay tuned. Always like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned and watch. I already washed my face and prep it, so now I'm just going to mix a little of this elf mix setting spray, just to like hydrate my skin, because I don't know, for some reason if it been feeling dry, so we'll see. Next up, I'm going to brush my brows with a spoolie. Then I'm going to line my brows with an eyebrow pencil. I'm starting from the front to the back, and then on top I'm going halfway through the middle because I want the ombre eyebrows. So I am taking my time and lining my brows. Once I'm satisfied with the look, I take the spoolie back and brush the products in to make sure it's blended in. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side, and if I have any bald spot, I just fill it in with a brow powder. Once I'm done with that, I make sure everything is on place. I like the shape of it. I like the dark into light graded effect. Then I take the spoolie, I brush the products in to make sure it's all blended out, and then I am going to use a concealer 1 or 2 shades lighter than my skin. With a concealer brush, I am going to slowly conceal and correct any little spot that I missed. And then if I have anything left, I am going to put it on my lid. Next up, I'm going to take my Maybelline foundation, just a little bit, goes a long way, and I'm going to take my foundation brush. We just do that. Make sure I get like an even coverage. I'm basically applying it everywhere, girl, because we're about to be a body. Okay, we're about to be cute. Period. Once I'm done putting, this brush, I believe it's by Elf. It's the ultimate blending brush. So I'm just blending the foundation in. I'm blending. Blending is your best friend. Listen, I need to blend. The foundation was getting a little dry, so I mixed it a little bit. Blend. Once I'm done, I am taking a lighter concealer to conceal under my eye, because I've been having bags. I don't know, I'm in the house, but I'm having bags. I don't know what's going on. Listen, Lord knows. Then I'm going with a damp beauty blender or a damp sponge. I don't think that's a beauty blender. A damp sponge, and I'm going to blend it out. And it wasn't enough, so I'll apply a little bit more because I can. And then I am gonna proceed with 2 shades lighter than my skin for the other places to highlight wherever the light's gonna hit me. Just not a lot of highlighting, like, but it's gonna be good, girl. Take that damp sponge, blend it out. Blend. Blending is your best friend. Period. You're just blending. Like, look at this. It's looking mad good already. Take a look at it, and then yes, fooling ourselves. Then we're going to go with our benign loose powder. I believe the color is Topaz. I love benign powder. Like, this is my staple. I can't function without them. With that same beauty blender, I am going to dab it under my eyes. If you guys want to bake, you will bake. I didn't bake for that long because I don't need it. So applying the benign powder in color of Topaz. Next up, I am going to set my brows also with the same benign powder. Next, I'm going to do a light contour of my nose with contour powder by Ulta. Notice that I just go into the bridge of my nose and like I brush it into my eyebrows, because for me it works better. It makes my nose more snatched and it's more seamless. Again, I'm going back, getting more products, right? Mix those two colors together, going right up my nose, just like a straight line. And then once I reach by my eyebrows, I blend that color into my brows. Just like so. Next up, I'm going to take it and put it near my cheeks and my forehead, my 5 head. I know I gotta be 5 head, but I embrace it. I'm just contouring my cheeks just a little bit, because honestly in summertime the less is more. Less is more. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. The two colors that I contour my nose with, that's the same two colors I'm contouring my cheeks with. Just a little bit. Next up, I am going to just like do like a bar in my nose. I don't know how to explain it, but it makes a difference. Make sure I'm blending my nose contour. Blending is the best friend, guys. Blend in is our sport. That's what we do. Next, we're gonna do the eyes. Notice that I left some benign powder under my eyes. I guess I'm baking. I'm taking my LA Pro in the color of beige, I believe, beige. I'm just using that as my eyelid primer, as a primer, girl, and then I'm blending it out with a blending brush. Blend, blend, blend. I don't know why I can't talk, but we blending, okay? It might look white and ashy, but trust me, it's just gonna make the color, the eyeshadow color pop. I'm going to do the same thing on the other side. Blending, blending, blending. Period. Next up, I'm taking my Juvia's Place palette. I'm gonna use the color, the orange color there, or any orange color you have. It doesn't matter if you're using Juvia's Place or any other one. So I'm gonna start packing the color into my eyelid. Notice that I'm not swiping it, I'm patting it. Picking up more colors. Pat, pat, pat. Going back. Pick some more colors. I believe the color is the Dakar. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I think that's how you pronounce it. So I'm patting it into my eyelid. Pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. Pat, pat, pat. That's what we do. I'm slowly building the color in. Pat, 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 pat. That's what we're doing. And then once I'm satisfied with the color, I'm taking a blending brush. I'm blending the color upward. I'm trying to like make it into like a gradient effect with the same shade, with the same orange shade. Going back and just blending that into the crease. You see that? You see that? I don't know if you could tell yet, but it's just like it's giving us a look. Blending, blending, blending. Blending, blending, blending. Take a clean blending brush and I'm just blending the color in. So we're gonna do the same thing from the other side. Pat the eyelid and then take the blending brush and build the color into the crease. Blending, blending, blending. I can't stress it enough. Like, you could tell when somebody blend their eyeshadow, and honestly it makes the look better. So like, if you're gonna spend an extra 2 minutes, you should sis. Like, we want to be a baddie. We're gonna be baddies. We are blending and blending. Yep, that's what we're doing. So basically I add a little bit more of the products to make sure that I have the coverage that I want. And boom, voila, I'm starting to like the color. Yes, yes, yes. Ooh, look at that, guys. Orange. Ooh, yes. And the eyebrows are sisters today. Wow. Next, I'm going to take a eyeshadow brush. I'm going with the same color orange, darker. I'm putting it on my lower lash, trying to blend it in so it could tie the look together. So basically, I'm paying attention. I'm putting it under my eyes and actually blended it out. So next I'm going to take that shiny color in the color Angelique. I'm putting it in my inner tear dot. That is going to brighten your eyes and make you look awake and make your eyes pop. Basically putting a shine into the look. Next, I'm taking a powder brush and I'm brushing out all the excess powder that I have on my face. You know, just like trying to make sure I have everything, all the benign powder out, so I could go ahead and tap it over with a face powder. Next, I'm going to apply my mascara. Today I'm using Hourglass. I really love this mascara. It coats every strand. I love it, guys. Like, that's one of my staple. Once my lashes is all coated, I am going to apply my falsies off camera. So now I'm just make sure I'm pinching them in so they could blend in together. Once I feel comfortable, I am going to move on to the lips. So now I line my lips with a brown pencil. Now I'm using the NYX Liquid Suede in the color of Sandstorm. Once I'm done, I am going to tap it all off with a clear lip gloss or glossy, anything glossy basically. Thank you for watching. As always, stay beautiful and signing out, and I will catch you guys on the next one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below, and also hit that bell button so you could be notified every time I upload. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. We just serving looks all summer long, if there is a summer. If there is a summer. Excuse me. But we just serving looks. This is like timeless, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel, what you guys think? I feel like a bad bitch who eats a regular cabbage. Period, huh? Period.